Hey guys, today we are jumping into the villas at Presidio. And this is a modern community here in San Antonio where you can also get to easy downtown, easy areas here on San Antonio. So stay tuned as we dive into this KB home community. Okay, so the Villas at Presidio is strategically located with easy access to major highways, including Loop 1604 and I-10, which makes it just a 20-minute drive from San Antonio, Texas. So that is something that you really want to take into consideration. If this is the side of town that you want to be on, then Villas at Presidio might be the place for you. It is definitely an affordable place here. The builder is KB Home. I'm going to take you into a couple of the model homes, but I also want you to know that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and tap that bell so you'll be the first person to get information about the San Antonio metropolitan area. My name is Jana Cervantes and I'm with eXp Realty, and I am always helping people find their dream home in the metropolitan area here of San Antonio. Whether it's Seguin, Marion, Helotes, of course San Antonio, it doesn't matter, guys. I can help you, and I promise you, even if you're doing new builds, you're going to need a realtor and you're going to need a guru, and that's me. So please make sure that you reach out to me, fill out a comment, call me on the phone. One of the things that I pride myself on is communication. If your realtor is not answering your phone, not a good look. All right. And I've helped tons of people, some from California, some from Georgia, and then quite a few from San Antonio that are just looking to either size up, size down, find their retirement home, or find a place to raise their kids. And that's very important. Of course, I can help you with that, being a former educator. So let's dive into Villas at Presidio. As I'm walking in to the Villas at Presidio, you can see there's a lot of construction going on. This is a very popular location. It is close to USAA. It is close to UTSA. We've got La Cantera Shopping Center. We've got the Rim. Oh my gosh, all the eateries that you could ever imagine, they are right here. And so it is a very busy place, and a lot of people are looking to make this place their home. So the tax rate here, we are inside the city of San Antonio, so it is 2.26, and the homeowners association is just around $60 a month, so that's not bad. And I'm going to show you some of the amenities that this community has. They have a dog park, which of course I got to go see that because I'm a dog lover, and then they also have a clubhouse and a little play area. So we're going to go into the first model home here, and it is a KB home, and it's 1855 square feet, and it goes for, let me look at my price sheet to make sure I tell you right. It starts at $359. So it is definitely affordable. We're going to go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. So here's the first home that we're going to look at. It is 1855. It is a KB home. Starts at $359 here at the Villas at Presidio, and it is just a gorgeous home. Let's go take a look. You can see we're coming in here. We've got our front door. We've got a covered area for the front door, which is nice. Let's go take a look what this home has to offer. As you walk in, you come straight into the living, dining, kitchen area. I'm going to pan around so you can see that. Very pretty. Lots of room. I love the island / bar where you can put bar stools. Let's go ahead and take a look at this kitchen. Very nice. Love that. We're going to make our way here. There's our garage access that we have. Here is a half bath right down here. So your guests do not have to go upstairs to get to the bathroom. We're going to make our way up the stairs. You come up here, you enter into a flex space, which can be used for anything. I love the way they have it set up as like a second little living room. Come here. Nice safety. I was reading the sign. Nice closet. for storage. Goodness gracious. Come in here. We've got our primary bedroom. Nice natural light. Come in here. We've got our walk-in closet. Woo! Our primary bath. 2 sinks. Toilet area. Tub shower combo. And another linen closet, storage closet. So make our way. On this side, we have our laundry room. Oh, thank goodness. No laundry up and down the stairs. That's important. Here we have a bedroom. They have it set up as an office, but it is a bedroom. There is a closet, good sized closet. And we're going to come here and we've got another bathroom, full tub shower combo, very nice. And then our third bedroom. So 1885 square feet here in the villas at Presidio. It is a KB home, starts at $359. The villas at Presidio is in the Northside ISD school district, but it also has a private school nearby, which is the San Antonio Chavano Campus Charter School. So I don't know a whole lot about that one, but I do know that Northside is very highly rated and offers a lot of opportunities for students, not only in higher, college ready, but also in career ready, which is very important these days. So if this is the place you want to raise your family, this is a great school district. The next home that I'm going to show you here at the Villas of Presidio is 2211 square feet, starts at about $389. I want to show you this. It's a great place to raise your family, great place for entertaining. Let's go take a look at what this looks like. As we make our way, it's very loud. We're going to go ahead and go in here. Concrete is pouring. Woo! Okay. So this is a closeout neighborhood. So they have great incentives, great interest rates, 4.9 for 5 years, 5.9 fixed. Can't beat that. So as we come in here, I want to show you the breakfast area. Look at this really pretty kitchen. Lots of counter space. Love that. Really nice big sink. Little bar stools at the breakfast area. Living area. Again, this is 2211 square feet. So I want to come in here. We've got a little study office area with natural light. I love that. Very pretty. There's our stairway, which we'll go up in a second. Garage access, half bath. Hey, y'all. Half bath. We're going to go up the stairs. And they do have some changes. So if you're looking for a suite downstairs, you can have this home be that for you. So here we have our first bedroom upstairs. Love the yellow. And then right here, we have our second. Nice big closet. Love that. And a window in there. So we come across here and we've got our flex space. Really nice flex space area. Here's our laundry room. Whew, thank goodness. You don't have to take the laundry up and down the stairs. And it's a big laundry room. Here's our double vanity, shower tub combo, tile. So this home has the upgrades. We're going to go over here to the primary suite. Lots of room. Very pretty. Whew, there I am. Coming into the primary bedroom, bathroom. We've got 2 sinks, standalone tub, nice walk-in shower, good size toilet area, and then, of course, the walk-in closet. Super nice. 2211 square feet, starts at $389. They do have different floor plans of this one where you can put a suite downstairs. So if this is something you're interested in, reach out to me. Wanted to show you the dog park that is here in this beautiful subdivision. I just really wanted to see that tree. Oh my goodness. That is definitely a beautiful old tree. Love it. Hey guys, I hope that you have enjoyed our tour of villas at Presidio. It is just a beautiful place. If this is something that you are interested in, reach out to me, talk to me, send me an email, call me on the phone, whatever it is. I want to meet you. See you in Texas, y'all.